Unlocking the art of Dreamcatcher Crafts. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of language and crafts. Today, we're exploring a beautiful and culturally rich topic: Dreamcatcher Crafts. These are not just decorative items. They carry deep meanings and have a rich history. Our journey today will help you understand what Dreamcatchers are, their significance, and how they're made. Whether you're learning English or simply curious about cultural crafts, this video is for you. A dreamcatcher is a handmade craft that originates from Native American culture, particularly among the Ojibwe people. It consists of a hoop, traditionally made from willow, covered in a net or web, and often decorated with items like beads, feathers, and shells. The primary purpose of a dreamcatcher is to protect the sleeping individual from negative dreams, while letting positive dreams pass through. Dreamcatchers carry profound symbolism. The hoop represents the circle of life, while the web catches the bad dreams, similar to a spider's web catching unwanted insects. The decorations, such as feathers and beads, have their own meanings, such as air or breath for feathers. Understanding the symbolism helps appreciate not just the craft, but also the culture and beliefs it represents. Making a dreamcatcher involves several steps. 1. Creating the hoop. This can be made from willow or a metal ring for modern versions. 2. Weaving the web. Using string, yarn, or sinew, weave a web inside the hoop. 3. Decorating. Attach decorations like feathers and beads to personalize your dreamcatcher. This craft not only allows for creativity but also connects you to a tradition that values protection, nature, and spirituality. Today, dreamcatchers have become popular worldwide. They're seen as symbols of protection or as decorative items that add beauty to any space. However, it's important to respect their origin and cultural significance. When creating or buying a dreamcatcher, understanding its roots and meaning can make it even more special. We hope this video has given you a deeper understanding of Dreamcatcher Crafts and inspired you to explore this beautiful art form. Whether you're practicing your English or expressing your creativity, Dreamcatchers offer a unique way to connect with an ancient tradition. Thank you for watching, and may your dreams always be sweet and protected.